want chicken biryani. No, I want today. I want you to cook.
How to get your husband to cook in the first place, right, girls?
You need a lot of patience. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kriti and you are watching Fun Friday Vlogs with critical comedy. If you are new to my channel, I hope you will like my content and then subscribe to my channel. Now today's video is fairly simple. You know why? Because all the work has already been done by my husband. I am going to share the recipe of chicken biryani, specially made by my husband. So let's get straight into it. Dun-dun-dun! But hey, did I tell you what all things you need when you want to make chicken biryani? Yes, the first thing you need is a husband. Yes, remember this is a recipe of chicken biryani by husband.
Second, you need chicken, you need rice, ginger garlic paste, onions, tomatoes, curd, lot of spices, and then
You need a lot of patience because when your husband cooks, you have to remember you have to do the cleaning afterwards. Now let's get straight into it. Now I can feel there is still one question to be answered. How to get your husband to cook in the first place, right girls? Now I know that can be tricky, but I am going to share with you all 4 tips to do that. First, motivate him. I see a chef in you. I know you can do it. Second, threaten him. If you don't cook tonight, I'm gonna leave you. Third, entice him. If you cook tonight. Fourth and last and the most magical one. I want chicken biryani. No, I want today. I want you to cook. Works like a magic. Let's get into the recipe. Now remember, Indian cooking is slow cooking and my husband takes it very seriously. So I had a lot of time when he was cooking. Here are few things that you can also do when your husband cooks. First, sleep. Take all the rest that you always wanted to take. Second, rediscover your hidden talent. Third, bug him. Okay, that's too much of salt. Yes, little bit. Not that much oil. Oh, okay. The rice goes up there. Yes, in that cabinet. How much more time it will take? Fourth, do the laundry like I did. chicken biryani was delicious. We enjoyed it with 2 of our friends and it was super fun. enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post video every Friday and I'm looking forward to come up with something great for next Friday too. Bye bye. This is Critical Comedy signing off.